Righty, we're back. Building the DH bike. And here it is, the Mighty Vito. You beauty. There's the other Mighty Vito out there. There's the Mighty Gyro, don't eat bats. And we're going up Coronet with Schneenos. And I thought I'd get in this vlog game. What else have we got in here? VHS, body armour, stay safe. Axle, need that. Couple death grips, Chase Brendan. Pedals, yep, need those. Let's do this. Step one. Lovely. Tools, vice grips, Allen keys, hammer, cutters, actually need some cutters, some lube, and yeah, chuck this on the workbench. Hopefully won't need the hammer. Going full retard and go. Oh, put the thing in the mouth. Hello? Hello? Little life hack for all the Shimano fans. Draw the colour in the bit on your brakes, line her up, Bob's your uncle, your beauty. Alright, we've hit a serious roadblock here, and Edville Media House has forgotten his rotors. So there might not be much downhilling going on today on the DH rig. But we'll persevere. It's been a long time between drinks. Another interesting find of the layout body armour users out there. You can cut a hole and store stuff, so yeah. There is a silver lining to everything. Oh, while we're here, we may as well go over, this is the Mighty Vito. This stuff is based on the Rust. Vanzac's got some new merch. If you're an Aussie or in New Zealand, go get it. Vanzacs.com. Deerstalker. And then we'll go check out the inspiration behind it. The real Vito over there. Alright, so step back, you can see the Deerstalker. This is a custom floating window. Unfortunately, the police decided that wasn't meant to be anymore. But yeah, so we've got a bit of rust here. I've actually gone and bogged it up. Inside there's a bit more rust. But this is currently for sale if anyone would like to buy it. It comes with a rugby ball. Moving up to the front. Yeah, it's a 2005. Currently not road legal, but for yours, I'm sure if you throw a bit of money at it, it could be. Comes with a Vanzac sticker. Great indoor-outdoor flow. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's watertight, but yeah, you get over that. Free layout goggles, bit of danger tape, spare wheel, ready to go. Rugby ball. So leave a comment if you're interested. Hell, I might even pay you. A real bad man. I reckon we fire her up. Just killing time here, waiting for Shauna to come pick me up. Here we go. kids. Okay. No tyre levers. No pump thing. Compressor. Let's see if we can do the challenge. Oh, he doesn't. Oh no. What? Man. Ebel Media House is a retard. He doesn't even have a valve in there. What is going on? Jesus. Oh, we'll try pump her up anyway. Oh. Oh, fuck. Change of plan. So we on. Show us your right up the stairs, Shauno. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You need more. Yeah, you got it.
Oh no!
That's where I got to this morning.
Oh, useless.
Nothing going on. Have you got your pass?
Yeah. I've got my pass.
I don't. It's inside.
Where do we go? Through here. I've got one. I gotta scan it on. I swear I do have it. Oh no, maybe I don't.
Oh, we'll go get another one.
No. Oh, here we go.
Mine's, I gotta go get it.
No, we're good. First laps. Ooh.
How we doing?
Good, good, good. Yep, Yori.
It says that is for you. It's your left shoulder.
My left shoulder.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
How have you been? Pretty good?
Yeah, good, and you?
Yeah, not too
It's
bad.
been a while.
I know, I haven't seen you for ages. I miss you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. What? I was wondering if I could make an appointment with Nikki. Nikki?
Nikki, I got appointments available.
This is good. This is great content.
I have next Thursday.
Yeah, what time?
5:30 p.m.
Okay, yep. Book me in.
That's a date.
Okay, so all booked then.
Okay. I might see you Thursday.
Look at these.
Okay.
Beautiful.
See you then.
Okay, have a good day, bye.
Ah, day for it.
Did you like that?
Yeah, that was good.
I made it more entertaining since you were listening.
Mate, that's straight on the YouTube.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good, we good. Nice. We're into it. Yeah. Thanks.
I don't know. I think it's just it.
Third backpack guy saves the day. Backpack guy number one, get it. Yeah, boy. Loose headset, mate. Good day out there, lads. Shit, yeah.
I'm looking, we ran out of battery. It's all downhill though, right?
Yeah, that's what we're going for.
You've got 8% left.
Have you?
You need to turn it off.
Off.
No, like turn, yeah, don't waste any for the ride home.
Oh, you still got to get home?
Oh, we're going to do a lap all the way down and then you pedal across.
Oh,
just that flat stretch down there.
You can still pedal.
Yeah.
Some e-bikes you can't pedal, eh? When their battery's out, they lock up.
Do they?
Yeah.
Horrible.
Some of them they do. That's when you start.
Yeah. Dino Cam. Oh, he's dropping me.
Unsure.
I don't have the fitness for that.
Oh, yeah?
Nah. Oh. Some creative lines there.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's how you make a flow trail exciting.
I like it. Alright.
Alright. Go anywhere your helmet?
Nah, you're all good. Whoa! Oh, hey man.
I'm a hollow, dude.
Are you winning?
Say again?
Are you winning? I don't know, bro. I'm just vlogging this.
Oh my god!
We're doing Camper Build episode 1.
I've actually got my vlog camera.
Pardon?
I don't know when my GoPro's on.
Well, you know, one at a time.
One at a time, please. One at a time.
Oh, lovely. Where will you be able to rent this?
Campfire.com.
And what's it called?
Banana Dreams.
Banana Dreams.
I can't tell if you're being serious or not.
Yeah. What, me?
You joke.
No, I'm not. Me and Shauno have just been out there. Look. Woo, see? See, we're on.
Oh, he's on. He's being
Oh, wow. Good angle.
Good at mate.
Right, Obi. Stanley, nothing but the best. 2-story apartment.
By the way, we're not using the spirit level for any gauges, it's just a ruler.
Oh, the baby maker.
I love it. God, I hate working this out.
Oh.
I've got another side to go in, then I'm on
Yeah.
the money. In
Nice.
the game.
Shuttle LT, yep. Boom, that's done. Is that straight, dude?
Definitely not.
How's that cut at the end?
Beautiful cut. You got my ruler there?
Yeah, bro.
No, give me that spirit level, mate. They've got a curved edge below it. This is all I'm using the spirit level for. Don't be fooled, nothing in the van is level.
And did you build the pivot bus as well?
Yeah, man, whole thing. You love my work?
Yeah. This is great, Connie. Today's just been a monologue of me not being able to build my bike.
Next side in.
Oh, he's even got the BK Sport construction shirt on.
We're doing construction.
Doing work.
Lay in or lay in?
Yeah, nice.
What's the external width? 450. You can hold that 451.
You spend so much money on this stuff, eh? Who's this? Steph?
The construction's coming.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Oh, yeah.
Mate, we're campifying and I hate being a tradie.
Are you a campify?
I made the
He's campify as well.
So we got 26 days of buckets.
26 days of bookings with no camper. Oh, that sucks.
It's annoying because my one's gone quiet.
Like, because these guys are bookings.
Yeah.
Ring of 10.
We've got 5 booking requests.
Yeah.
And I would mention the inside.
We've already got a picture of the outside.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Beautiful.
Sports beers as well.
Oh,